thought it was safe to get back in the water. The finale. Right? Happy 4th of July from Hobart, Indiana. Woo! Yeah. Woo!